guns. I'm right back. Thing in the woods, back out.
Well, Dirty Bird, conditions changed a little bit there, man. Forrest Gump come up in my radio. Hello to you, Forrest Gump. Hello to you, my friend Dirty Bird. Hey, Forrest Gump, my friend down there in the BAM. No money in Maryland. Come on down.
Keyed up, 434, keyed up. He said 410 right on. He said two guns said 410 right on, and you bumped it down. You said you wasn't going to key no more. You wasn't going to key that duck looking more, but you was still the duck looking champ in the garden. Hey, two guns, 434. Oh, Gump, easing on back.
Ain't no two ways about that. Worldwide Gump in the BAM. No money in Maryland. Get down.
Evening time, there's no money. Ain't no money. 650 Michigan.
34. 434 in the gardens. Outlaw down here in the BAM.
I think it was 650 something or other up there. I think you said you was around Michigan, man. I ain't even looking around Michigan. Shame on the mess. Hello out there to you, big brother. No money's Dave May transmitter in Maryland, so read the mail.
You got it right there, no money. 650, Muskegon, Michigan. Yeah, some crazy conditions. You got something good on this side of the lake, though. 650, back going.
Yeah, right on 650. Take care, man. Happy Father's Day coming up on that end. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. 650 around the Great Lakes in Michigan. No money working this Dave May transmit around Maryland. We'll see you.
Doggone, I heard you can't pull you out, Jake. I'm still listening. There's a lot of traffic. Reminds me of the old days back in the 70s. Good Lord Almighty. Jake's having flashbacks. I'm sweating profusely. Anyways, excuse me. Let me get out of the way, Jake.
Where's that Outlaw in the BAM one time? How about that Outlaw in the BAM? No money in Maryland. Being no sea break.
434. Where'd you go? 34?
Yeah, good evening, no money. This Outlaw down here, I just heard 0434 in there and just thought I'd jump in there real quick. Evidently, I ain't got no conditions up that way.
434.
I got a whole radio full of you, Outlaw. I got a whole radio full and a whole video gate full of you, Outlaw. Alabama. No money in Maryland. Dave May transmitters right back.
Yeah, 410 on that. Maybe two before. Two before right there at the end there. Said break. Some about 4.
Oh, 410 there, Outlaw. Take care, Outlaw. Oh, Gump's in there, man. He's got a great big hammer. But, Outlaw, you got a real good sound when you bumped it down. Take care, Outlaw. No money in Maryland. Daddy Stay Wave coming up. We'll see ya.
Jazz is at there. By the time I say that, he's probably going to pull up, peek out there and do a peekaboo. But I'll check and see where he's at. Hey, Jazz, where you at there, babe?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little mud dog.
Golly, you gonna cause me to do that, man. Them duck pluckers is probably already on their telephones blowing up text messaging and Facebook messaging and all that the channel hog's been out here hogging up the channel. But I'm gonna do it one time for you because I don't care. I ain't got no money. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little mud ducks, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little mud ducks, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little mud ducks, all report to the pond.
410, man, that was perfect, man. A whole video gate full of you. While you say them boys out there text messaging, Facebook messaging, and phone calling their boys saying the channel hogs out there on the radio. Hey, man, Gump and the BAM, keep doing what you're doing, big brother. No strain, no duck shucking pain. I'm sure they saying the same about me when I have conditions up here, because, you know, I keep this thing down as long as Mother Nature allows. Hey, Gump and the BAM, you're freeing on this end. I got down. I'll see you.
Tell me who he is, or Troy Jones.
Hey, Dirty Bird, here I come again. Hey, Dirty Bird, here comes no money once again. I think Mother Nature come back around your way. Hello to you, Dirty Bird and George. You're working at Dave Made. No money in Maryland, working as Dave Made right back.
Hey, number one, I'm coming and trying to fill on my radio right about right here, man. Hey, number one, around the keys on them boys, trying to steal condition, but I ain't gonna let it go down like that right now. Hey, number one, around the keys on them boys, trying to steal condition, but it ain't going down like that right there. Number one, no dirty bird in the woods. Hey, a 410 on that, dog.
Hey, Dirty Bird, here comes No Money. Hey, Dirty Bird, tell number one in the Keystone, look out for No Money in Maryland, and it's Dave made. Hello to you, Dirty Bird. No Money in Maryland. Come on, get down.
And quit spending all your free money and your food stamps on up looking whores and crack rock. Troy Jones, I don't know where you're coming from, but I'm going to make you famous. Gump, get down. Audio check, check,
Dave made transmitter in Maryland's on the mail.
Hello, 2x4, Jersey Shore. Hello, 2x4. If you'll save him up some dimes and nickels, I doubt he's got any quarters. A plane ticket, a bus ticket. I'll sit down here and talk on mine, and he can do that infamous ticket that he's talking about. He sat down here to see what it's all about, and he won't have to worry about using his money for radio equipment there, just as long as he's got enough to get a bus ticket down here and back. And then he can save all his money for crack rock and whores. I'm getting on down now. Hey, I hear you up in there. That bonafide mud duck that was up in there saying I was politicking. Oh, what was his name again? Troy Jones. He may be kin to Mike Jones. I'm getting down.
Who? Mike Jones.
On that. Well, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate y'all being kind enough for a mud duck like Troy Jones. Y'all gonna take a stand by and allow me to be able to turn my volume all the way to the right, and y'all ain't gonna key up so I can hear that mud duck. Because Lord knows if y'all key up, I'm gonna either get a new speaker, and I ain't gonna be able to hear him, but I'm gonna have to turn my volume all the way to the right just to hear that mud duck. He's probably talking on a damn Uniden Pro 510, fresh out the box, with a little wheel stuck to his rusted ass trailer top. I'm getting down. Down Birmingham, no condition, back quiet.
Well, they might stand by Gump, but I ain't gonna stand by. The hell with that Kevin Bick and Troy Jones. He can go get him some more coke and crack whores or whatever word he said. Worldwide, Gump and the Bam, No Money in Maryland. Got down.
CX Slam 165. Yeah, hey, they must be a direct connection, no doubt about it. Look at that little old Okie Stopa. Hey, we just working this little Okie Stopa